Real estate trends and innovations for 2025. Top 10 real estate market trends for 2025. What you need to know. Discuss the latest housing market trends, such as price shifts, inventory levels, and regional growth hotspots. The rise of suburban living in 2025. New developments to watch. Explore how suburban areas are evolving with new infrastructure, housing projects, and lifestyle changes. 2025 housing market forecast, boom or bust. Predict market conditions with expert insights and key economic indicators. How AI is revolutionizing real estate in 2025. Showcase how artificial intelligence is used in property management, pricing, and customer interaction. Smart Homes 2025, features buyers are craving. Highlight the latest smart home technologies that are becoming essential for home buyers. Virtual reality and 3D tours in real estate, the 2025 experience. Demonstrate how VR and 3D tools are transforming property showings and marketing. Eco-friendly homes, the sustainability trends, taking over real estate in 2025. Discuss the increasing demand for green homes and sustainable construction materials. Net zero homes, how builders are meeting 2025 energy standards. Dive into the innovations and policies pushing for energy-efficient homes. Real estate investment opportunities to watch in 2025. Guide viewers on emerging areas for property investment with high ROI potential. The short-term rental boom, how Airbnb and VRBO are shaping real estate in 2025. Analyze the impact of the vacation rental market on real estate investments. First-time homebuyer trends for 2025, what millennials and Gen Z want. Focus on the preferences of younger buyers entering the housing market. 2025 selling strategies, how to sell your home faster in a competitive market. Provide actionable tips for sellers to make their properties stand out. The 15 hottest cities for real estate growth in 2025. Identify cities undergoing significant development and growth, attracting buyers and investors. Mixed-use developments, the future of urban living in 2025. Explore the popularity of live work-play communities and their impact on urban living. How real estate agents are adapting in 2025, new roles and tools. Discuss the changing role of real estate agents with new tech and consumer expectations. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next adventures.